Hi guys, so today we are going to take a peek at my plant friend's house plants. She is at work and I'm looking after her daughter who is sleeping in the next room. So let's go ahead and take a look at this huge orchid which she keeps indoor, and it looks a little bit dehydrated. But look at the size of this plant. And she said she never fertilized any of her houseplants at all. And currently it is in full bloom. Look at those flowers. They're beautiful. And let's take a look at the pot. I can see all different food scraps in here. I can see pistachio shells, some eggshells, and all different kind of seeds. But I'm impressed. It's doing well for her. And also we are going to take a look at her balcony garden. So we are in her balcony garden. She's been busy and she's got no time to do a bit of planting this spring. So this is the mother plant of my aloe vera, which I'm going to insert a picture. So she said it has never flowered for her. And look at the size of those leaves. And further on, she's got this, it used to be a portulacaria, but it got damaged by the snow. But I can see tiny shoots coming out, so hopefully this plant will grow back. And she's got a big pot of this, I believe this is a Graptopetalum, and it's putting out some blooms. I like those colors. And what else does she got here? She's got a lemongrass. I like this plant in my tea, but I can't grow it at home. I do not have space. And also she's got this large jade plant, and part of it got damaged by the snow as well. And in there I could see some eggshells and some used coffee grounds. So that's how she fertilized her plants. And I can see a big lemon tree as well. And she said she grew this one from seeds. And at the back there I could see a huge rosemary herb, and it smells so gorgeous, the scent. And it's got those tiny little purple flowers. And back here she's got this succulent which is in bloom. So far that's all she's got, and thank you for watching. Bye.